Eat like a snake and tune into your meals? Wacky diet tips you need to try.
Hey, food friends. Let's shake up your eating habits with some wild but science backed diet tips. Tip 1: go the way of the snake. Not by hissing, but by eating more slowly. By taking longer to eat, just like a snake leisurely swallows its meal, you can improve digestion and feel fuller quicker. Tip 2: dim those lights, everyone. Eating in softer lighting can help you eat less and enjoy your food more. Soothing ambiance equals less gobbling and more savoring. And here's the kicker. Tip 3: crunch and munch to the beat. Listening to yourself chew loudly by using headphones can actually make you more aware of how much you're eating, reducing the amount of food intake. Try it out at your next meal and experience eating loud and proud. Follow me for more fun tips.